Lord, y'all. My phone is straight acting up. But how everybody doing today, y'all? Me and Jada out in the bar and we decided to come on here and do a video. I went to Chick-fil-A. It's my first time. But we ain't never ate at Chick-fil-A, have we?
But I went to Raising Cane.
Yeah, Jada didn't want Chick-fil-A. She like Raising Cane for some reason.
I love their chicken fingers.
So I want to try their spicy chicken sandwich.
You guys look. Here's my few. Chicken fingers, bread, fries, and some sauce.
Hold up to us so they can see it good. It look good.
But
I do like that bread from
why do you want it? Because I don't want it.
Oh, you don't want the bread?
Nope. I just want the fries and
that bread be good. I can eat that all day long.
We were gonna go to Five Guys, but Mama didn't want to.
No, I changed my mind about going to Five Guys. Cause y'all know it didn't special like I probably can get a burger without fry, but Jada like the value meal and stuff with the fry and stuff. Unless I'm reading the menu wrong. I just see they sell their stuff separately like a burger. You like almost $9, $10, and then you gotta buy the drink separate and the fries separate. We'll try it on another day. That's good right there, though. That bread.
Ma, tell them the sad news about you know who.
I will. But I supposed to be going to the doctor. I came over here to go to the doctor. I used to go in the morning time because I ain't really have no appointment. But I've been hurting so bad today that I said I was gonna go and try to go in today. But I waited and they stopped seeing patients at 2. And I was a couple hours late. So I ain't gonna be able to go till Monday. I mean Tuesday. I can't even go Monday. Because I gotta go dialysis Monday. These fries, these waffle fries taste better than the ones I bought at the grocery store. You want to taste, Jada?
Oh, she gave me the big one.
Need a little more salt on it, but it'll be okay.
Tastes pretty good.
So yeah, we pop out. I gotta get ready to go see my son tomorrow. But we probably gonna leave to like later on in the evening. I mean not in the evening, but probably about 2 or 3. I see they got some of that good ice too. Do y'all be doing like that? Checking to see what kind of ice y'all get.
She does it.
Yes. Let me put that stuff at the bottom. I'm gonna see how this works. I like my stuff at the top, but we'll see how it works. This over some more. But yeah, it look pretty good, y'all. Uh-oh.
How does it taste?
Spicy. Sound good. You can taste that spice right off the bat. It's good though. How your food is?
I'm still eating the fries. I eat the chicken fingers last.
You gonna eat it with that sauce?
No. I do not like sauce. Guys, to be honest, I do not like any type of sauce. I don't like ketchup. I don't like mustard. I don't like mayo. I don't like nothing. Just plain. Everything plain. I like my burgers plain. I like my fries plain. I like my tacos plain. Everything just plain. Nothing on there. Just meat and cheese.
And won't eat it.
I won't even eat it if it has a pickle on it.
I ain't ate nothing all day. Shit.
What happened? Oh.
Why is this drink on me? I ain't ate nothing all day. Yep. We about an hour away from home. That's how far we have to drive, y'all, to see places like Chick-fil-A, or Raising Cane's, or Five Guys. They got every place to eat here. You see what wind is? Subway right there.
Mama, how was your food?
Good.
I'm still eating fries, guys.
This toast is real good. It ain't real hot today, is it?
Mm-mm. Ma, you like lettuce and tomatoes and... Yeah.
They put pickles on here too.
Yeah.
Then I put some mayonnaise on it.
Yeah.
Let's see. Real mayonnaise.
Ma, did you know that all of your kids do not like anything on their burgers?
I know. I can't eat my burger like that.
It doesn't taste too bad.
And y'all keep Miss Gloria in y'all prayers, y'all. She in the hospital. Yeah, pray for Miss Gloria.
She called us this morning.
Yeah, I'm gonna call her back later on today. See how she doing. She said she had to wait till taste come back and stuff. She might have pneumonia. So y'all keep her in y'all prayers. Now get Jada ready for school. She gotta get her hair braided.
I'm getting some box braids.
I'm gonna get her some box braids this time, so it can last about 2 months. Gotta get her some school clothes, some shoes, school supply. Gotta get you a new backpack this year. Good, Jada. Jada love Raising Cane's. She didn't want to go to Chick-fil-A no way. Chick-fil-A don't do strips like that, do they? No, I just don't. That's just be too much meat for me. I'm already kind of full, y'all. Yeah, I really want that Five Guys burger.
Ma, these chicken tenders are good.
Ain't good. They ain't spicy. Oh, hello, y'all. I am back, y'all. I just came on right quick, y'all. I just wanted to see, could y'all go to the comments and write what y'all like for me to do more hauls. I want to start back like doing more hauls and more mukbangs or get ready with me, and let me know how y'all would like that, or just think of some stuff that let me know what would y'all like for me or me and Jada to do. Maybe a couple challenges or something. I don't know, y'all. I just need some more kind of advice for what to do with the channel. Yeah, I'm at that point again. But if y'all could please just help me, y'all just let me know what more would y'all like to see, like 2 or 3 mukbangs a week and less vlogs and more mukbangs, less vlogs and more mukbangs with vlogs or something else. Y'all just let me know, because I want to keep the channel going and just keep content going, but you know, I just need y'all to just let me know. And just let me know in the comments, y'all. And I love y'all, and I will see y'all tomorrow, because I will be blogging this weekend, because y'all know I'm going to see my Juicy Doocy tomorrow, so I will be vlogging tomorrow, y'all. Well, the whole weekend I will be. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Love y'all so much. And I thank y'all all for just supporting and just being there and just coming to the videos and come in and just riding with me and you know, while I'm sick and just going through. When I do put up a video, y'all really do. And I just want y'all to know that I really do appreciate that, y'all. And it won't be long while I get back to myself. Once I get this swelling down, I feel like in my arm, and I get my arm right, I feel like I'll be okay then, once I get everything right with my arm and stuff. So that won't be long. It don't take long for it to go down. My hand is still kind of swole, but it done went down some. But my arm is still swole, y'all. And this catheter is still hurt too. But it don't take long for the swelling to stop and go down. So I will see you guys tomorrow. And I want to show y'all something. But let me show y'all this. I want to tell y'all, if y'all haven't tried this yet, because I had to go to Walmart to get this. I had ran out. But if y'all haven't tried this yet, this is some good stuff, y'all. This foam and whip body wash, Olay. It costs about $5. And it'll last if it'll last. It's supposed to be 30 uses, but y'all, this stuff is so good and it's so soft, and it smells so good, y'all. And they got 2 kinds, but I already had the other one, so I went on and got this. But it's this whip Olay in this can. It's in this can. So y'all try this. I'm telling y'all would love it. Smell good and everything. They got a yellow one just like this, and both of them good. But this one is called Birch Water and Lavender. I don't forget what the other one called, but it's in the yellow and white bottle. But yeah, I just want to tell y'all that. Y'all just let me know in the comments. And don't forget to pray for Miss Gloria, y'all. I'm finna text her right now. It's kind of late too, but I'm finna text her right now, y'all. Don't forget to pray. Keep Miss Gloria in y'all prayers, y'all. Okay. Good night.